Belkin has just announced that the Wemo Bridge is now available to order at $39.99, with an in-stock date of January 15th on Amazon. The new Wemo Bridge supports Apple's HomeKit, meaning that all of your Wemo smart accessories could be added to your HomeKit scenes. Belkin currently has a wide variety of smart devices, ranging from smart plugs and dimmers to light bulbs and security cameras. They can all be easily controlled through the Wemo app, but with the new Wemo Bridge, they don't have to be. This new device hooks up to your Wi-Fi router and can now connect all of your Wemo smart accessories to HomeKit without requiring you to download the Wemo app for setup. The term HomeKit may not mean a lot to you, so let me explain how HomeKit works and why it's so special. There's currently a lot of smart home devices on the market, but those that lack HomeKit support require you to download and use a specific app to control it. This means that if you have smart accessories from 5 different manufacturers, you have to use 5 different apps to control all of them. The beauty of HomeKit is that you can control and set up as many HomeKit supported smart accessories as you want, all from a single app, the Home app. It gets even better than that. You can create scenes that control all of them at the same time with a single command, either by pressing the button in the Home app or using Siri. Something like this simply wouldn't be possible without HomeKit. When Apple's HomePod gets released, it will act as your home's hub for all of your HomeKit devices, while also acting as a Siri assistant and a high-quality wireless speaker. If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products, updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.